In the past 7 days, I've made over $500. No paid ads, no products, no freelancing, and no, I'm not selling a course. I was able to achieve this using Whop Content Rewards. This wasn't just some side hustle, I ran it like a business, producing short-form content, creating UGC for brands, and creating systems that scale through others. This is not a make money fast scheme, it is an online business model that works because it is built around value, not hype. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything, what Whop Content Rewards are, how to get started from zero, and how to potentially scale it into something that pays you consistently. So let's get started with the first point. What are content rewards? So content rewards are programs where you get paid to create or repurpose content about brands or creators. The best part, you get paid based on views, typically $1 for 1,000 views. Now let me break this down properly. Listen up. Content rewards is a monetization model that is changing how brands and creators interact. Instead of paying influencers upfront or dumping money into us that might flop, brands now reward creators based on performance. It generates views, traffic or sales, and you get paid. It is a win-win. Brands get exposure at scale, creators get paid for the results, and platforms like Whop handles everything in between. So basically, you're creating real content, short form clips, UGC demos, faceless tutorials, screen recorded explainers, basically whatever fits your skill set. And instead of hoping someone notices you, you plug that content into Whop reward system, and when it performs, you get paid based on performance. Now, the first strategy and where I started from is clipping. My favorite thing about clipping is a beginner can also do this as long as you can cut videos, add music, and generate captions. Now, here's how I did it. Firstly, I went over to whop.com and signed up. After I joined, I came across the Whop interface. Now, not to confuse you, Whop are the communities, and I picked the community that was interested the most to join and gain the whole experience. Then after that, I head over to the Discover tab, and below I discover the content rewards. So what the content rewards does is actually pays you to publish content on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and even X, and payment structure is per 1,000 views you get on your videos. And to get inspiration on the type of videos to clip, I went to the submission tab and saw some successful clip videos from other creators. After that, I went back to the content rewards and looked for high CPM rates, niche products with viral angles, and basically content that already performs well in short form. Now let me take you through my clipping workflow. So firstly, I research the creator's content. Then after that, I pull out a 30 to 60 seconds golden moment. Then I proceed to edit it with retention in mind. That is, removing all the pauses, adding background music, adding overlap rows when needed. Then when the whole process is done, I posted it across different platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So basically, that is it for the whole clipping process. Now the second strategy that I use is the UGC content creation. Now, UGC simply stands for user generated content. So instead of clipping someone else's content that we did in the first strategy, here you're creating original content for brands. That could be tutorials, product demos, screen recorded explainers, even simple testimonial style video. The first thing I did was head over to content reward section on Whop. At the top, there's a filter called type. Set that to UGC. Now you see a list of creators and brands that are actively looking for UGC creators right now. And the one I'm currently doing is called the Whop University. It is a dedicated UGC campaign by Whop themselves. The brief is simple. Make a video that centers value on Whop and how it works, and the CPM for 1,000 views is $50. The key is simple. Explain how it works, who it's for, and how someone can use it to solve a real problem. No selling, just clear content. Now once your video is ready, you submit it to the campaign directly inside Whop. So if it gets approved and start pulling views, your earnings will be updated in your reward dashboard. So UGC is perfect if you're someone who likes explaining, creating tutorials, or editing content with structure. And currently, I myself in this video, I'm leveraging on the UGC content creation. Now the third strategy and the most scalable one is turning this into a content rewards agency. Now let me explain. See, clipping and UGC are great, but they are still tied to your personal output. There is a cap. But what happens when you stop doing it all yourself and start building small things that produces content for other brands under your management? Now, here's how I started mine. I found other few creators, practically my friends. So these are people who could clip, make UGC content, or edit in general. Then we basically formed a team. Then I reached out to brands on Whop that had solid content rewards campaigns. Then I offered to manage the whole content operations content for them. So what does that mean? It means I review their campaign goals, built a mini creator team around their brief, managed the content delivery, collected performance reports, and took a cut of the results. In some cases, I charge a small monthly fee for campaign management. Now, it is the same model that Facebook ads agencies use. The only difference, I am not spending the brand's money, I am deploying content. And at the same time, scaling performance using people, not ads. And right now, almost no one is doing this. Everybody's focused on being the creator, but very few are thinking like the agency. So here's what I know for sure. I haven't had to beg any client this year. No freelancing stress. Why? Because I found a model that actually lets me pick my lane. I've done clipping, I've made UGC, I've earned through affiliates, and now I manage other creators, which are my friends that are under me, right? We've built a successful team. This isn't about luck, it is not hype, it is about picking one opportunity, locking in, and most importantly, building something real. So if this sounds like something you want to try, check the description of the video for the official Whop sign up link. You can explore it for yourself and see if it's a good fit for you. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel and leave all your questions in the comment section below, and do not forget to share this video. So this is bye bye for now.